Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this video shows you how to get to the virtual lab observing photosynthesis. So let me go ahead. I'm in the Science 6 Schoology. I'm going to scroll down to Module C, Ecology and the Environment. Click on Unit 1. Click on Lesson 2. And if you need to pause this, feel free. You can click on the virtual lab of Observe Photosynthesis. You also have a paper copy of this, but you're welcome to do this in Word as well. If I download that and open it, you'll see first I'm going to click Enable Editing, and then you're going to click File Save As to make sure you don't lose any of your work. Okay, to access the virtual lab, you're going to go to this website. Let's see if it'll let me go. There we go. So we're going to go to that website. All of my information is already in, but if you have trouble signing in, please let me know. If I go back to here, it says log in. So let me do that. Sign in. And then I'm going to go to Discover, which is right here. Let's see, scroll to Module C. So let's go back here. Right now, mine is in Module B, so I'm going to click this arrow and scroll to Module C. Okay. And then it says click on Student Resources. So let's see. I don't see Student Resources, so I'm going to click on All Resources. And then I'm going to click on Student Resources here. Okay. And as you can see, the virtual lab is the first one that opens or that pops up. So you'll click Open. You're going to need your headphones for this lab. You'll click Start. Mine started on slide 4, but you'll start on slide 1.
Welcome to the lesson, Observing Photosynthesis.
Okay, so let's go back to our virtual lab. And if you look, once you've signed on and you've opened it, it tells you slide by slide what you should do. So slide 1, you're just going to listen. Slide 2, it says answer the following questions below. You can type anything in the box on the slide and click OK. There are no wrong answers to these questions. You're discussing what you think about organisms. Please keep it on topic. Yes. Slide 3, it has some questions you're going to answer. Slide 4, slide 5, slide 6. Slide 6, it says type anything in the box. You're not doing the experiment on this slide. You're going to do it on slide 7, okay? So you're testing the effect of light intensity and carbon dioxide levels on photosynthesis rates. And just follow the directions. If you have any questions about any of these slides, please let me know. But first things first, I would read these directions first. Once you finish this, I would go back to Schoology, and you can submit it here, or you can turn it into your box. Please let me know if you have any questions.